Gonna be a little bit right to claim the rights of this video because of the music. Welcome back to everyone. We are here with Dasha from Russia, Kali from California, and Naomi. So Dasha invited us to have dinner tonight, and there's something traditional that she's doing that I have no idea what it is. So
Syrniki.
What's the name?
Syrniki.
Syrniki. Syrniki. And tell me what it is.
No? Yes.
Let's put it up.
This is all cheese, right?
You want to just wipe it down?
That's cotton cheese.
Cotton cheese
It's
with eggs.
Eggs, a little bit of porridge. That's kind of it's like flour, but it's like you actually can make a porridge out of it. And a little bit sugar. That's it. Easy. Yeah. And as long as you don't have 3 kilograms of cottage cheese, it's pretty fast and easy to cook.
So this you make this?
Yes. Into this. And those ones. There's already that's the third plate.
And you eat it like this, or you do mix it with something?
Oh no, you mix it with jam, with sour cream. Sour cream, jam, condensed milk. Put anything. You just put it in there. You just blend it.
Gosh.
You vlogging?
Yes. Let's make a pizza come to bring some slices to the working class people.
Wow, thank you. You helped me.
Oh, really? You don't mind?
I just brought it for you because you're still cooking. No worries. I am the nicest person in this hostel. The nicest! Let's socialize a little bit until everything is done. Two Americans find each other. One from Utah, one from Hawaii. That's it. Yay. Dasha's gonna show off her skills as a sommelier.
Stop harsh. Yeah, all you need is like angle, 90 degrees angle.
How will be in here? Where
And the thing is, on every bottle, you have this thing. Yeah.
Oh, the line here.
Yeah, the line.
You don't see it on the camera? But
Yes. All you need is like very smooth move, so it would continue like this. That's it.
You look like an assassin right now. The
angle of the bottle placed should be 45, like this.
Hey! How do you eat this?
Кто-нибудь хочет пиццу?
How do we eat this?
Who wanted pizza?
Okay.
Eat pizza.
There is jam, there is honey,
Shut up.
and there is
Sour.
Разговорчики в сторону.
This one is condensed milk. It's sugary.
Any
Try that.
any recommendation?
This one is a very Russian thing, so you try this. Watch it. Watch. What do you do?
Fuck, yeah, I love it.
Сейчас я пришел, это
So I am gonna go a little bit apart of the party to talk to you a little bit about what it means to be in a hostel. Probably don't see anything because there is no light, but this is what it is. The nicest thing that comes to be in a hostel is basically you get to know people from everywhere. I know sometimes that the concept of sharing a room is not very comfortable for everyone, but in reality you get loads of benefits from being here. To put an example, I'm just gonna talk to you about this place. This hostel is called Ololo Hostel. It's a hostel and it is a workspace as well. Dorms are very cheap, but you also have options to have twin room, you have options to have your own double room. They have very high internet. The lights are off. I cannot show you far too much about this place right now. You have a space here for food sharing. Whenever you finish everything, you put it here so you can see people have some chicken, some fruit, some pastries, popcorns, water. Let me go back a few hours in the past so I show you the place properly. Hello from the past, guys. So I'm gonna take advantage now that it's a little bit sunny to show you all the outdoors. instead of doing it later. So this is the upper part, which is very nice. You can have cigarettes over here if you want to. It's a simple terrace, but it's very nice if you are indoor and you need some air. You have a little bit more of the workspace here. And cozy. Let me show you around here. Some corridors with multiple of the rooms. Some of them are single, some are double. This is how ours looks like right now. They have a little cute cubicle with some privacy. Obviously lockers. Have the showers over here. You have some toilets over here. You have my nasty stuff here from being editing before and charging the drone. A little bit more over here. In some of the workspaces that I've been, people is a little bit more cautious with their stuff. But in here, since everyone knows each other for a while, people stay long term. People is actually leaving their stuff on the table with no fear to being robbed, because it's basically friends and friends and friends, which actually makes you feel a little bit more at home. And then you have another part here with the chess, some board games, more things over there. If you pop in on this side, we will still have some more rooms, loads of them. Well, yeah, you can see sauna and pool over here. I guess that is close. The place is quite cozy and it costs around $9 a night. Got a glimpse of how the hostel is. Let's go back to the future. So let's go back to the light. I just turned this on a little bit so you can see how fun this is. In here you can find multiple pictures of all the people that has been staying here in a long while. You have people like me who is coming for a couple of days, and you also have people who is staying here long term. Loads of digital nomads, loads of interesting people. Getting to know people from everywhere generally breaks the structure that you have on your head about certain places. Peace and love, guys. Support each other, love each other. This is being a short vlog, but I hope the message counts. Subscribe to the channel. Love you all. Peace.